Tired of endless scrolling? Let's transform your Redfin search into a handy, printable list in just a few simple steps. First, head over to redfin.com and enter your desired search criteria in the search bar. This could be a city, neighborhood, zip code, or even a specific address. Once you've entered your search, Redfin will display a list of properties that match your criteria. Take a moment to review the results and make sure they align with what you're looking for. Next, locate the map button. It's usually found near the top of the search results page, and click on it. This will switch the view to a map, showing the location of each property. Now, look for the print button. It's typically located towards the top right-hand corner of the map interface. Clicking the print button will open a print preview window. Here, you can customize your print settings. You can choose which information to include, such as property addresses, prices, and basic details. Adjust the settings to your liking and then simply click the print button. Within the preview window, your printer will then generate a hard copy of your Redfin property list. And that's it. Now you have a tangible list of properties to take with you, share with others, or simply refer to without having to stare at a screen. Happy house hunting!